Hi, we're at SLE Equipment in Antioch, Tennessee, just right outside Nashville. Our number is 615-641-7720. Today we will be looking at a 8.5 by 24 hybrid enclosed trailer. At the front we do have an extended tongue with your hitch, jack, breakaway box, and chains. There is a generator box on the front driver's side of the Vnose. This trailer does have a 36-inch driver's side door with a bar and RV style lock. There is a step up for the inside portion of your hybrid. The rear portion of this trailer does come with a 36-inch door as well for access to the utility deck. This trailer has two LED strip lights at the top of the enclosed portion. There are light switches by both doors. This trailer has 4 D-rings at the bottom of the enclosed. There are 2 vents in the enclosed portion. Coming outside of our trailer, you do have the utility deck. The utility deck measures at 16 feet, while the enclosed portion measures at 8 feet. There are 2 7,000-pound axles on 16-inch wheels and tires. This trailer has teardrop stone guard fenders. The utility portion does have full side rails on both sides, as well as a bifold loading gate with spring assist. You have your spring assist system. When the gate is up, it is attached with a spring latch. This trailer also has LED brake lights. There is pressure treated wood flooring and 4 tie down points as well on the utility deck. You have the rear 36-inch door from the outside that comes equipped with a bar lock and an RV lock as well. There are loading lights or floodlights attached to the rear portion of the enclosed. There are 4, 2 on the bottom and 2 on top. This trailer does have corrosion repair paint, as well as the blackout ATP stone guard lining your trailer. There is a white screwed exterior. Once again, this is an 8.5 by 24 hybrid enclosed trailer. If you are interested in this trailer or any other trailer we have online, please give us a call at 615-641-7720.